Fire occurs in different buildings. Marquises are falling and killing people. Mayors require building inspection. Diagnostika engineering created doctor of the building. Doctor of the building make the technical report of the building. The reading of the building. Observe stability and safety. Set priorities for maintenance. Of the building have affiliate. Engineers and architects. Pay $50 per ticket. Give them the right to information of a service. Customers are condominiums, constructors, industries, and common people. Companies seek service. Service is personally informed to affiliate. With ticket payment, affiliate receives customer information. The company needs investment bank for computer program administration and marketing. The technical report of the building is Engenharia Diagnostika. Contato médicodopredio.com. Have the legal PREDIAL inspection certificate. médicodopredio.com